You can add talking stickers to a Wixie project. Select the Widgets button on the toolbar. You will see the Widgets dialog. Select the Magic Stickers option and open the Talkies folder. Select the Talkie you want to use and click the Add button. You will see the Talkie on the page. You have 3 options for making this Talkie speak. You can type text into the box in the Options panel. Use the voice and speed pull-down menus to change how the voice sounds, and then use the Try It button to test out your Talkie.
Hello. I am Maurice the monster.
You can also have the Talkie speak the contents of a text box. Use the pull-down menu to choose which text box to speak. If you only have one box, it'll choose that box automatically. You can also have the Talkie speak with your voice. Select the Record Your Voice option above the text field, and then click the Record button below to capture your voice.
Hello, I'm Maurice the monster.
Use the Try It button to test out your Talkie while you are editing. When you show or share your project, users simply click the Talkie to hear it speak.
Hello, I'm Maurice the monster.